okay, so the weights, B grams of the banana muffins. Okay, so now we're talking about banana muffins. Banana. And then up here was chocolate. All right, keeping everything all organized here. These are normally distributed with a mean of 68 and a standard deviation of 3.4. Each day, 60% of the muffins made are chocolate. Okay, so muffins fall into two categories. You can have banana or chocolate. 60% of the muffins made are chocolate. That means 40% of the muffins made are banana. On a particular day, a muffin is randomly selected from all those made at the bakery. Find the probability that the randomly selected muffin weighs less than 61 grams. Okay, so for a chocolate muffin, the probability that it weighs less than 61 grams is going to be 0.365. So we can find the complement for x is greater than 61. Okay, and then for the banana muffins, I don't know what the probability that it is less than 61 grams is, but I'm going to put it on the normal curve, and I'm going to try to find this area to the left. All right, so menu 5.5. I got myself here in norm CDF. I'm going from negative infinity to 61. The mean is 68. The standard deviation is 3.4. And I've got 0.019756. So do 1 minus that to find the complement. And that's going to be 0.980. So we have x is less than 61 is going to be 0.019756. And then x is greater than is going to be 0.980244. Okay. So I'm trying to find all the ways that a muffin can be less than 61 grams. So I'm going to trace along the branches and terminate where x is less than 61. So it would be banana and less than 61, chocolate and less than 61. I'm going to multiply them both together and then add them. So I'm going to have probability that x is less than 61 altogether. All right, so I'm multiplying across and then adding for OR. I've got 0.4 times 0.019756 plus 0.6 times 0.365. And now I get 0.227. Okay, so next, given that a randomly selected muffin weighs less than 61 grams, so that's literally what you just found 4 seconds ago, find the probability that it is chocolate. Okay, so I now have probability that it's chocolate and less than 61 grams. So probability that it's chocolate and less than 61 grams all over probability that it is less than 61 grams. So chocolate and 61 grams, you found that above. Where is it? Chocolate and 61 grams. This and less than 61 grams. Let's see. Chocolate and x is less than 61 grams. Here it is. Sorry to dig through all my work there. Okay, chocolate and less than 61 grams, so that's going to be 0.6 times 0.365. And that's going to be all over what you just found right here, 0.227. All right, so 0.965.